The hardest part about setting up an automation isn't the technical side. It's knowing what a good workflow actually looks like. What's the right trigger? How many emails? And when should you add the condition step? If you've ever stared at a blank automation editor and had no idea where to start, templates could be your answer. And MailerLite has plenty of pre-built automation workflows designed for the most common use cases. You pick one, fill in the missing pieces, and you're live. Let me show you how. From your MailerLite dashboard, go over to Automations in the left sidebar, and then click New Automation. Right away, you'll see the template library. You can use the dropdown to filter things like nurturing leads, promotions, for e-commerce, or to retarget subscribers, depending on what you're trying to build. When you find the one you want, you can simply select it, or from the preview window, hit Select Template, and you'll be taken straight into the automation editor with the workflow already built out. A couple of things worth noting. Templates with the Advanced label are only available on the Advanced plan. E-commerce templates will require a connected store. Once you're in the editor, the structure is already there. Your job is just to fill in the missing pieces. Start with the trigger, or triggers if you have multiple triggers set up. You can select the trigger, click the trigger block at the top, and then connect it to whatever it needs to shoot off the automation, whether that is join a group, completing a form, or another event in your account. For email steps, click on the email block, and then you can add your subject line, sender name, define the email name, and then once you've finished, hit Design Email to build out your content. You're able to start from scratch, or you can use a MailerLite template, or if you have other templates of your own, you can use those as well, or one of your own recent emails. Delay and condition steps are usually already configured with reasonable defaults. You can keep them as is or adjust them if your situation calls for something a little bit different. One important thing to know about conditions: if a condition step is linked to a specific email in the workflow, then you can't delete that email directly. The email is part of the condition's logic, so if you want to swap it out, go to the condition settings first, update what it's referencing, and then you'll be able to remove the original email step. Once you've worked through every step, don't forget to activate the automation. Templates are the fastest way to go from I should set up an automation to actually having one running. Pick the use case that fits, fill in your content, and let the workflow do the rest. If this helped, remember to like and subscribe for more email marketing tips. I'll see you in the next video.